got a really cool video for you guys and girls. We will do a review about BingX. We'll talk about the passive income. I know it's a term that has been thrown around here and there, but actual passive income from copy trading. Other traders have found out some insane traders with 600% gains on the 1 minute chart scalpers on BingX. Passive income bonuses that they have, and there are a bunch of them, and the mobile app, which is very good. I've used most of the exchanges out there. I have been trying to find the perfect fit for me. You can see that I've done some reviews over the last few days, so I'll tell you why I believe BingX has a lot of the cool stuff out there. First of all, when you sign up using my link in the description down below, check this out. Enjoy up to 20 leverage and returns profit from volatility. Start and claim 10 bucks. Just click here, claim 10 bucks. It's as simple as that. There's a few things you have to do, and basically all the rewards you have will be available in the rewards center. But the first thing that I wanted to show you was the copy traders. You can also find out trading ideas from the copy trading feed, but here you can find insane traders. This trader has 900 followers and 2,249% with just 4 risk, which is unheard of. And this is on standard futures. Let's see what trades he's doing. Basically, what I want to do over the next couple of weeks to months is I want to build a portfolio of other people on trading. If you go to my Twitter, you probably have seen that I'm doing a lot of trades lately, like 50 plus trades. We had really good success over the last few days. Some weird patterns, and but they're working. The house pattern, the house and tree pattern. But I want to diversify by following other traders. So BingX is one of the platforms I'm interested in because it has better traders than some other platforms. 2,249%. Copiers profit 113 bucks. Not a lot of people managed to follow him yet. Win ratio is 50%, but I guess the risk to reward is really high. 4,000 trades, so he's a scalper. Other platforms don't really have the trader's word or description. This platform does. Average profit is 2, average loss is $1. So basically a 1 to 5, pretty much. Risk to reward. P&L ratio 1.4 to 1. Here it is. It's an exact one, so he probably has an exact take profit and stop loss. This is over 48 days. This is insane. So he's doing pretty much, I would say 40 trades, because you have in and out, that's 2 trades. He's doing altcoins, probably with the screener. So he has my risk appetite, but he's trading very accurately with 1 to 4. I'm doing 1 to 1 pretty much now. What is the max drawdown? So you can analyze all of that, kind of like a hedge fund, all within the app. Very good. And this is just one of the traders. There's multiple really good traders that I've seen here. Average holding time is just, what is this? This is nothing. He takes very quick trades. So most of the trades are on Unfi. I basically have my screener is set to the most volatile trades. I'm currently up on the serum trade. It's probably gonna take profit from the way it's building the volume. He doesn't even have losing weeks. Look at this. This is insane. Yeah, risk assessment week. The max loss he had on the day is 37%. That's nothing for the ROI he's getting. So this is one of the traders I will actually bookmark real quick. And I suggest you do too, Ben CL. And the cool thing about this is you can build a portfolio of just, 10, 20 traders that have different risk management systems in place, different pairs that they're trading, some short term, some longer term. This is definitely a winner in my opinion. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. It's copy trading. So this is one of the main people I would be interested in following actually. is Ben CL. Here it is. What is this warning sign? Everything is done very, very well. So in terms of copy trading, I've seen better traders here than our platform. Bonuses, they have a lot of bonuses. You can claim some of them. I'll have a link for everything in the description down below. Mobile app, very intuitive. Their fees are very competitive. Again, what I would be interested in doing on BingX is mostly following other people's trades, maybe even doing a copy trading challenge. If you are interested in that, what I want you to do is comment in the comment section down below that you want to see me do a copy trading challenge where I will turn, for example, $1,000 to 10 grand. Probably going to take me a few months. It depends on the scalping strategy. I've seen that the BingX exchange actually has really good liquidity. So what I can do is trade altcoins with high volatility, pretty much the same strategy I have on other exchanges. I can do here. It's really, really good. I'm really happy with BingX platform. I suggest you sign up right now. It will support the channel because it's an affiliate link. If you use the website, definitely sign up right now. It doesn't hurt. Has really cool bonuses. I'll show you a few other things. If you go here to the, look at this. So my rewards, sharing my screen in 1 second. Here is, so my rewards claim invalid. You, based on the things you complete, you get rewards, and some are really easy. By the way, something that I really like is grid trading as well. This is a bonus, futures or spot grid, because this is basically a bot that you set up. It's very, very easy. Most of the trades that are going on a lot of exchanges are from grid bots, so you don't have to pay Commerce or any other platform to have a grid trading bot. It basically can do trend trading or different price points. It can take advantage of that. A lot of the traders that you'll be copy trading are grid trading. So if you develop a profitable grid trading strategy, you can then start using other people's money by setting up your own copy trading firm where other people copy trade and you get some commissions. As you can see right here, there's a minimum investment of $134 for Bitcoin, which is recommended. The 7-day moving average, 44%. This is insane. RNDR is $500 with 577% moving average. That's insane. That's perfect for spot trading. It's volatile enough. It has the momentum. Let me know what you think. Love you guys. Everything is in the description down below. See you in the next one. Subscribe, like, bye.